it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. It's coming. Jordan, get it away, Jordan. You're scaring it.
I got it. Don't worry about it.
Hey, I didn't know. Why you give it? I know. I don't care. Give it to the kid. I know you got it. No, you had fun, not you. Don't be excited
It's coming.
right
It's
now.
coming. It's coming.
Get back, boys. Get back.
Jordan, get the net from your net, Jordan.
All you boys, let fight it.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh my God, Jordan.
Oh shit! Oh!
Jordan, go in there.
Hold on. Oh shit! It's going! 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 Yo! It's going! Hey, somebody go in the hold on. Before when it comes up, I need you guys to hook it quick. Hold on. It's good. It's good right here. I gotta keep the line tight. I gotta keep the line tight. There you go, Uncle. You see it? You see it right there? Uncle Bat, you see it? It's getting closer. Just slowly, just slowly. It's still down, huh? There, look. It's up. It's up. It's up. There, get it. Can you get it?
Get it.
Oh shit! Come on, you gotta get closer, Uncle. Holy shit!
Oh, fuck.
Oh, Uncle, come on, grab Uncle, grab it. Scoop it, man. Scoop it, Uncle, scoop it.
I can't scoop it. Hold on to it. Okay?
Hold on.
Hold on.
It's
A big ass carp, man.
Still there.
No.
Still there. Still there.
Remember that. That's what you got.
Nah, it's a big ass carp. It's the carp.
I don't know shit. I don't know nothing. Hell no, I take it home. Screw that. Wait, straight up. 12 o'clock.
Nah, that's right there. It's going left.
11
It's
o'clock.
going left.
11 o'clock. 10
It's
o'clock.
going left.
10
It's going
o'clock.
left.
10 o'clock. Still 11 o'clock.
Nah, it's a carp. Get it. Oh, it's going. Oh, it's fighting. Oh, it's fighting back. Nah, I'm reducing that. Oh shit! Hold my phone. I'm gonna get in the water real quick.
Go for it.
It's right here.
Okay, there.
Yeah, everything get closer, eh?
I didn't tell you that when you wood shot me, man, your ass will fucking come dirty.
Uncle, can you back up? Uncle, back up. I'm gonna get it closer right here. I'm gonna get close. Back up. Now we're gonna get it. This is hella big though. That's a big ass carp. Damn. Bye. Yeah, it's still going though. This pole is hella small. Yeah, it's not ready.
That's a big motherfucking carp, man.
You gotta hook it quick, all right, Uncle? There I go. Get it. Scoop it. Quick. Oh, no. Yeah. It sees the net. It sees the net. It sees the net. There. Scoop. Oh. Get tired. Come on. Come on, don't go. Come on. Come on, don't go. Big ass carp.
Go!
Come on, man. Try and get close to the shore. There, go. Come on, you not see that? Come on, don't go. You did not see that. There. Oh, shit. Fuck, man, I'm getting tired.
Come on, Jeb, you hold on to it, Jeb.
Justin, you should have done this, Justin. You should have grabbed the net, bro.
Justin.
Wait. Hey, back up, Uncle, back up. There you go. There. Get it. Lift it up. This shit still got freaking. Shit, come on. Oh, shit.
Don't pull the line.
Come on, I'll go right there, dude. Don't worry about that. Oh, you got it, though. Yeah, go on. You got it. Okay. Yeah, go on, lift it up. Woo! Holy! Woo! Let's go. That's a big ass carp.
No, you gotta take time.
Right there. Look at the lid.
Look how small that hook is.
Hold on, Justin.
Wow, barely right here.
I don't got pliers, though.
You barely got it.
I got pliers. It's tight in there.
Your phone died. Oh my God.
Woo! Huh?
Like that.
Side of them squishy.
Huh? Good?